Hey guys, welcome to TJ Tech. It's Gitex season right now. Anybody who has lived in the UAE for over 6 months knows what Gitex is. The format might have changed over the last few years, but it's basically the same thing. You have the Gitex Shopper, which is all about the deals, and then you have Gitex Tech Week, which is all about the exhibition. You have all the gadgets and the latest things going on. So this year I decided to go around at the Gitex Shopper and see what it's all about. The first thing that's pretty obvious is that there are a lot of deals going on. Some of them might work for you, some of them don't work for you. If you know what you're looking for, if you're looking for a laptop or a camera or a tablet or a phone, if you know what you're looking for, you could probably go out to a store like Sharaf GG, Emax or Jumbo Jackies, whatever it may be, and pick it up there directly with the same Gitex offer. So you don't really need to get into the madness of Gitex. Also, something I noticed is that the deals aren't really great this year. I felt the same thing from last year a little bit, but this year it seems to be even less. To start off, let's look at computers. There were a lot of laptop and desktop deals. One of the cool things that I saw was Alienware had a really nice stand. And of course, if you know what Alienware is about, it's more about high performance gaming desktops. They do also make some amazing gaming portable laptops which are super thin, super sleek. So you should definitely check out their stand. You can also get some pretty cool deals from HP. They were showcasing a lot of their laptops. Talking about tablets, I went over to the Microsoft stand and I saw some of their Surface Pros. Definitely an amazing device. You gotta check out that pen to really know what it feels like. You also see a lot of hybrid laptops and tablets. So this is basically laptops that can flip into a tablet or a tablet that has a really good keyboard that can be used as a laptop. It's very evident to see that the era of convertible laptops has taken off, with examples like the Lenovo Yoga, the Microsoft Surface Pro 4, and a whole array of laptops from manufacturers like HP. Looking at the state of wearables, Samsung Galaxy Gear S3 had an amazing stand. There were a lot of options, a lot of designs. I couldn't find really any other kind of wearable devices, though there were some manufacturers that were providing wearables that I hadn't heard of before. If you're looking for wearables specifically, you can just go and check those out. But if you're looking for really good build quality and really good design, then the Samsung Galaxy Gear S3 really is the way to go. With cameras, I saw a lot of DSLR deals, a lot of DSLR options. If you are looking into getting into photography semi-professionally or even professionally, there are some really interesting deals. What's good about the deals at Gitex is that you get a lot of extras along with it. That means SD cards, tripods, cases, things like that. And you can definitely talk to them and try to discuss with them to get a better deal out of it as well. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more compact camera, like a mirrorless camera, which is what I was looking for, you're kinda out of luck. There were really just maybe a handful of options out there, and the deals weren't even all that great. What's surprising is that you can get the same prices or even better prices online rather than on Gitex, but what you miss out on are all the extras. So if you're looking for the extras, then Gitex is probably where you need to buy your cameras from. Though, looking at the price difference, you might actually be able to buy those extras yourself and it'll cost you the same thing. And you get more control over what extras you get. With regards to gaming at Gitex, I've already talked about laptops and desktops, especially the ones that come from Alienware. But if you're a console gamer, right now is not a very great time to buy any console because you would probably know that the Xbox One S is out and the PlayStation 4 Slim is also out. Those consoles are not really available in the Middle East. It's rumored that most of them will be releasing sometime next month, but it's really hard to get your hands on it from a proper dealer. You probably have to go online or get it from sort of the gray market, and that's not really the place you want to be buying it from. I would suggest you probably wait till next month. Though if you are looking for a console today, the Microsoft stand at Gitex has some really good deals. You should definitely check them out. I did get to mess around with the Xbox at Gitex. They hooked it up to a huge screen. It was amazing. It was great fun. I think we were playing Forza Horizon and the sound was great, the system looked great, the controller feels great as usual. Unfortunately, I didn't really get much of the Sony presence there. You obviously can't talk about gaming without mentioning VR right now because that's all the craze. And at Gitex, you definitely get to check out some VR headsets. To start off with, I checked out the Samsung Gear VR. They had a demo over there where you sit down on this row of 4 chair, you put the VR headset on, and you're taken for a roller coaster ride at Six Flags. This was super immersive, the experience was great. I did feel a little giddy at the end, but the entire experience was really about that chair, and that chair is something you will not be seeing in your living room anytime soon. I also checked out the HTC Vive. This is a really cool demo. I got strapped in, I was told to move within a certain perimeter, and I was basically shooting zombies repeatedly. I was completely immersed into the game. It got to a point where I was aiming by closing one eye, leaning over. It was really immersive and it was super accurate. I was very impressed by this. This device is currently only available as pre-order, even though it released or launched in April. You only get your hands on this device next month, but it's definitely cool to check out the experience at Gitex Shopper. And finally, I checked out some mobile phones. I checked out the Samsung Galaxy Note 7. On display, they had the updated phones with the green battery icon, which is your indication that this is the device with the new battery, and these devices will not be exploding in your face. I also checked out some really cool devices from Oppo. They have a good array of cameras, and they're turning the camera game on its head, with the front-facing camera being better than the rear-facing camera. So they kind of focus around selfies more than anything else. On a side note, there were some other kind of devices that you could use for cleaning your home and windows. So I checked out these automated robots that will clean your floor for you from a brand that I never really heard of before, but they had some really cool devices. They also had this one window cleaning robot that was really going at it and it looked really good. So if you're in the market for something like that, you do have options for that too, though it's very minimal. Of course, in addition to that, you also have a lot of TVs, but the deals weren't all that great and there weren't any new devices out there, so it really wasn't much to focus on. The same deals, you could find them in the stores, and that's probably where I would go because Gitex becomes way too overwhelming when it comes to TVs. As I mentioned before, Gitex is really for those people who don't know what kind of device they're looking for. If all you know is that you want to buy a laptop and you don't know the brand or the model or anything like that, then Gitex is a great place to go and check out all your options in one go. In addition to that, you do also get some really cool flash deals. These are something that you won't get anywhere else at any other time. If, however, you're the kind of person who knows the exact laptop or device that you're looking for and you want to go buy only that, then you should probably go to one of the electronics store outlets and go and ask them for the Gitex deal on that particular model. You may not get the same flash deals, but if you're looking for a specific device, that doesn't even apply to you anyways. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video gives you an insight of what Gitex is like before you head in. If you do end up going to Gitex, let me know what your experience was like in the comment section below, especially if you got any cool deals. Don't forget to share that as well. If you like this video, do hit that thumbs up button. Thank you guys for watching and hope you guys have a good one.